continuously pull controller for flow table installation, but now we are storing these entries in database. So here we can see the demo.
So I will basically show a demo in which our controller, which is a Rio controller, is connected to a light telesis 9-port switch. So with that introduction, I'll just start up the controller. As you can see. So the controller has now started, and it has started to dump flows on the database. So as you can see here, so as you can see, number of flows are getting incremented here. So basically we have two databases, flows and switches, in which once a new flow is encountered, that flow is dumped onto the flow database. So here we can see that the size is continuously increasing, and from what we have tested, we have pushed up to 23,000 flows onto this database, and accordingly you can see the switches too. So the switches connected to the database also have the flows associated with them. So this is our database. So using this database, the applications can query the database and read the required flow entries. So basically, the flow entry would look something like this. So it is basically an OpenFlow mod message, so which contains a match object and everything. So this can be queried and used by any application. So that's it from my side.
During the integration of this project, we got a couple of challenges, and as in my team, all are like inexperienced in CouchDB API, but we first we learn and we implemented this CouchDB in our project, and now it's like successfully working fine. So that's all about my side. Thank you.